What's up, YouTube, and welcome back to AB Moto. Right here in front of me, I got a 2005 Kx250f. As you can see, this is not the original color for a Kx250f. The last owner of the bike painted it this color for hunting purposes. As you can see, he spray painted the plastics from the original green to this tannish beigeish color. As you can see, it's coming off a little bit. But not only did he paint the plastics, he spray painted the frame, the bottom end of the motor. As you can see, there's a little bit of overspray on the swing arm. You know, it just looks real tacky. In today's video, I'm going to be removing these plastics and replacing them with some fresh green Polysport plastics. And I'm also going to be trying to remove all the black spray paint from it. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, I got all the plastics off. Let's go ahead and try to get all this paint off. Alright guys, I got a lot of the paint off, but what I'm going to end up doing is I'm going to end up getting some paint stripper and using the paint stripper to get the rest of the paint off. So right now, my main focus was to get the frame and the silencer stripped. I pretty much got it how I wanted it to look as of right now. So without further ado, let's go ahead and put the plastics on. Alright guys, here's the final product. As you can see, we got the brand new plastics on. Got most of the paint off. Now it's looking like a Kx250f. What's up YouTube, and welcome back to AB Moto. In today's video, I'm going to be doing maintenance on this 2005 Kx250f. I'm going to be changing the spark plug, changing the oil, and changing the coolant. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Alright, here's the new spark plug. Let's go ahead and put it in. Alright, we got the new spark plug in. Let's go ahead and put the bike back together. Alright guys, that's the end of the video. If y'all enjoyed it, hit that thumbs up button. If you want to see more content like this, subscribe to the channel. And make sure you turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified every time I upload a video. Thank y'all for watching, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.